Cam, how are you doing? I just came over here to shoot my day zero video. I need to flip this. How can I do? Just like this. You can see Gadha Dwar. They're making awesome. This all things just for Kumbh. There's a Peepa pull. Peepa pull. I'm on my Bugatti to shoot thing up. I'm now going on my Bugatti, finding a place to shoot my day zero video. Uh, Maybe here. Yes, I think this is fine. Where that are lot, no lot, just Curzon Place over there. That is Chandrasekhar Azad Setu bridge, and this is railway track. Now I have to go over there to shoot. Let me take a pause. He's back. I came from there to here, and it was bit hard. Now my tires are getting stuck in sand. It's a bit hard, but I'm going over there. You can see this is special you're doing. Why I'm nervous? It's all normal. You can see. I want to show you something. Maybe future Vaibhav. Hey, don't fall, man. Don't fall, my Bugatti. I don't want to injure you. Sit here. You can see thing around. There's that Karun Dua. My camera quality is not clear, but it's okay. I'm gonna yap straight up. Maybe future me is watching and feeling proud from where to where I have been reached, because this is day zero of being the ultimate best version of mine. I want to capture. Uh, I wanted to sit somewhere there so I can get this side in my frame, and you can see how much fog it is, but it's not possible because all the thing over there too much crowd, and this is nothing. There are still days left for Mahakumbh. It's gonna be massive this year. Now let's go over there. Mr. Yapper with you. Mr. Yapper here. Mr. Yapper. I think I need to pause video and take my mic out from my bag. Mm, Then I will meet you. Bye bye. Oh, sorry. I was taking my back camera off and started the video mistakenly. But wait. Such weird and such weird. I don't know why, but I'm a bit nervous or what. I'm again doing weird thing. अपने आप कैमरा बंद करके खोल रहा हूँ. Oh sorry, I'm not gonna talk in Hindi. This my whole series is going to be in English, so I can improve my English. This is also 1 a.m. Let's now exposure is pause. I need to put my camera. I think over here it's gonna be nice and good at same time and capture a good video from here. Let me put my bag over here and take my diary, special diary out. I think I'm clearly audible. Please God. I don't want to take. I'm going to put this again. Maybe this is a good decision I am making, because I don't want to make any mistakes. I'm a bit nervous because people around me are watching me. How I am gonna sit? I'm a bit confused. Maybe this way is everything is clear as far as everything is good. How I gonna set this too much dirt? Maybe on my Crocs. This is good. This is good. Now my mic is also good. I'm making things a bit dirty, but that's all fine. That's my lucky diary. Is this angle is good? If I go there, I'm less exposed. This is good. I'm getting good angle. Maybe a bit more here. Ah, that sexy boy is me. That's my diary. I started. Should I do that great reset pose? Because this is the great reset time for me. Today is what is today? What is today? I don't know. But today is Monday, and maybe 7 January, Monday. And the correct time is 3:50. I need to complete my video in 30. I don't take too much time. Already took 2 minutes and ain't just started anything. Is me. Oh, I write. Old me is gone. On 12/12, my exam ended on 8th December. I decided to shoot this video and upload by 15th December, but my procrastination, which is always killing me, but not this year. This year gonna be revolutionary for me. I'm not gonna do procrastinate. I'm not gonna procrastinate on things. On according to my diary, on 12th, I write old me is gone because of Karma rapper. I inspired from him. Oh, there's one relative going over there. I can't let him to see me. Oh, he passed me. I hope he don't see me, otherwise he might tell my parents that I am sitting over here and doing bullshit. That's gonna make trouble for me. I put my mic over here. That's more good. So on 12/12, but can't execute on time. I went to my something off. Then on again in January I'll start. Today is day 0. So by end of 2025, I'm always been a skinny boy, as you can see that my waist don't seem like should be breadth of my pants. But this year I'm gonna change all things, all my insecurities, all my problem, all things what I faced. Becoming better person is aim of me this year. Today is day 0. I'm gonna dividing my task in a smaller unit. So the end of this year, end of my life, what I want to do. I think this is the best place to see. If you can guys see over there. Wait. I will make you see, guys. Over there, there's too much littering and dirt. Indian don't get that making our environment clean is also our duty. Just not cheating and frauding, scamming is only our duty. We also need to understand. Maybe my job is going to tell them that this is, oh, I forgot my sleepers. Maybe I made a mistake. Wait. My OG camera angle has gone now. My bag is on. So later in life I want to clean this kind of dirt. Maybe give something back to this planet. We just take birth and make mess everywhere in others' life on this planet and each and everything and just die. As Indian we talk about karma, but I think we are not on good paths. So I want to clean that this word, people's mind and everything. So let's go in 2025 to what I want to achieve in 2025. The most important thing is making my parents proud. I know doing small thing gonna make them proud, like not arguing with them, listening whatever they told me to do, obeying their orders and everything, making them laugh, everything. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but that's my priority. Maybe the end of year my parents see me and say once that I have best child in this world, I will be most happy. This is what internally internally I need, because nobody else in my life except them. My friends are just friends who need me. Just think as if I do, it's more good. Who just need me because I don't know. Selfish. Each and everybody is selfish. Let's leave. I'm talking very weird, nothing in systematic form, because in my mind everything is just fucked up. I thought too much to doing that, now I'm fucking shit up. So let's go. In 2025 I need first thing making my parents proud, and second thing will be, oh, my cycle is over there. Yes. Should I take this? Yes. Pause for 1 minute. Sorry guys, I took a pause. I need to, because my best bicycle was not visible from where I'm sitting right now, and didn't notice till yet. Somebody stole it. Oh, my alarm for going for open gym, but today I'm not going, but because today I'm going for my shorthand class. Later I will talk about it. So the first aim is being muscular. Parents proud, being muscular. Let's not yap more on this. How fuck, 8 minutes already gone and all that shit. 10 minutes video is already done. So let's break. In next 5-6 months, what I need is in my academics. So currently, my brief intro. My name is Vaibhav Pandey. I am born brought up in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, India. So, and I'm studying right now in Allahabad University's affiliated college, ISDC. I'm in my BA second year. My subjects are history, sociology, and English. Fuck, bro, I don't remember my last year. I scored something around 55 or 57 percentage, but this year I need to go like 70-80 percentage. I need to get first division end of the year, and that's going to be crucial. I think I should change my angle, because many people are seeing me from there. So if I sit like this will be more better for me, but not according to camera. What if I put my camera over there, and the curtain view will be also nice, if I'm not wrong. This is more even sicker. If I put my bag a bit more piche and put this over here, so much zoom. Oh, that's sexy boy. This is more good. I am just wasting time. I need to do it quicker boy, quicker. That curtain is visible from here, and this is making my view a bit more better. My face is gone, bro. I can get only one thing, so my face. I choose my face, because that is better than cousin. So getting 80% is my priorities, and now breaking that into more small part. I need to study at least 1 to 2 hours daily. I will practice for my writing speed, handwriting, calligraphy, and each and everything. So yes, I'm a bit confused. I thought so much to talk, but now I'm just out of words. I don't know what to say and how to say. That's all for my academics. Or this 6-month tenure is till the last exam of mine. After that, for next of year, I gonna make a new to do. So till my last exam, this is gonna be my first phase of this year. So I need to get like 80% for this. In this month, I'm gonna study about my course for 1 to 2 hours. Let's go on health. As I have shown you, I'm way much skinny, and I'm very much underconfident, insecure about that. I'm just 54 kgs, 6'1" tall, and it seems like a bamboo tree. If somebody sees me, I have faced so much bullying because of this, but this is time to change all this. In this 5-6 months till my exam ends, I want to gain at least 10 to 12 kgs. According to my body mass index, gaining 10 kgs will be, I will be in healthier category, so I want to get in the healthier category. Healthier category is my aim. If somebody holds my camera for over there, it will be more nicer, but how? Because I'm gonna find anyway. I need to do so much editing now because of my bullshit activities I'm doing. Maybe things were good. I'm just making all things more troubly. Let it be over here only. Somebody's coming, so I need to stop this all. Wait for a second. I will adjust my cam angle too. Fuck! When I stop, a train is going at my head. I am a bit scared. What is gonna be? God, please make everything online. I don't wanna die because of train falling on my head. Till then, I should adjust my camera angle. What if I put my bag like, oh fuck, how I made my bag fucking dirty. Camera angle is good. I'm just worried for nothing. I should leave it like this only. Let's go where I'm talking about. So next thing was my health. So my this month's aim is to eating 2800 calories plus every day, avoiding sugars and fast food. But I know only eating healthy 28 calories, the 2800 calories is not easy for me. Why I am stammering? For first month there is exception. I will go for 2800 calories. After that I will try for 3300 plus calories. I know just eating don't make me fitter, muscular. I'm also going to open gym every day, doing push pull leg core exercise 6 days in a week. Now I'm thinking to do just 3 days to get proper recovery, because right now I'm not able to get proper calories, and doing too much exercise and not taking calories will make me more skinnier. So I will try to take calories properly, then I will go for exercise. And in morning I'm thinking I should go for in morning before going to college. At home I need to do some yoga and meditation. I have not properly analyzed what I will do, but I just know that I need to do something, and I know I am not gonna do this thing properly because I have not planned what I'm gonna do. So at least I'm gonna do alom vilom, like so this thing at least for few times in a day, and doing om to make my voice more deeper and sexier. I already talked about my parents, academics and health, exercise. For calories intake, I was using a app FitnessPal, but my phone didn't supported that app. My phone is worst condition. This is 2016-17 phone, not even just Windows 8 or 8 9, something like that, not even the modern window or OS or software, so it's hard to get all app in it. Even my camera quality is telling you guys. I have promised myself that I'm not gonna ask my parents to give me a phone. Now next phone whichever I gonna be take from myself, my earning. Because a bad phone will always motivate me. I'm always on my phone like 3 to 4 hours in a day in my phone. So having bad phone when it lags, it reminds me that bro, what I'm doing, I need to stop this. and do something more better. So yeah, next I have to acquire some skill. So for this, as I have told you guys in video चल तो रही है ना. हाँ bro, I thought video is paused, don't know why. I'm going today to join shorthand classes. Shorthand is just a way to write things more faster. It will help me to get job in future. And yeah, playing uke. I've learned some basic strumming patterns and chords, but in 5-6 months I need to master. And no, there's nothing thing like master. I have learned every day, every night. But yeah, bit ki I'm bit confident while playing and can play few songs. Alloplane is going above my head. Not able to see it because of fog. But and next is learning a new language. Bro, मैंने angle change. I changed my camera angle. Now I am still not able to see my bicycle. It is there. I hope nobody takes it. So yeah, learning you after that learning new language. I want to learn Malayalam or Telugu because of my interest in South cinema, but I also want to learn Kannada. I want to learn at least 10 to 20 languages before I die. So I'm a bit confused from where do I start. I'm thinking to start with Malayalam next. After that, first learn one, then I will go next one. I think I have expressed my each and everything what I thought. One more thing, semen retention, that's most important, because this was the only addiction I had, and because of easy access to each and everything, cheap internet, all the pornographic content available on the internet make me more worse. So in this year I'm gonna take place to me that I'm not gonna see any bad thing. And for now, like for last 7-8 days I have controlled on myself. It is a huge number. I should give a clap to me. Wait. And this will help me to channelize my energy in the right direction. Yeah, social media, I don't as often use social media because I just scroll, not even on Insta. On YouTube I have also turned off short section. I just scroll and watch long videos, and currently I am watching Suits. I am loving it. First I started watching it in Hindi, then my one friend suggested me to watch in English. In initial days I was not enjoying because it was hard for my mind to listen in English, then translate it, and then process in English or Hindi. But with the times things get easier. Currently I have completed 9 episodes, if I'm not wrong, of season 1. I have subscription of Jio Cinema till 19 June, like 13 days left. I am not gonna able to watch complete 9 season in this time frame. After that maybe I will download pirated. I know this is bad for being a future lawyer, but it is okay. I'm student right now. Everybody is being certified criminal. So for improving my English I am watching Suits, making this every day at least one shot. I will go, later on I will tell you what I'm gonna do in English. This will help me. Straight up boy, for like 25 minutes I've talked in English. This is big achievement for me. I've never done something like this. Even I'm not able to face camera like this. Ki, yeah boy, you are talking. If I see myself I get conscious. That's why I'm looking either here and there to not get conscious. So where I was, I'm watching Suits. I want to mention that I love this 7th episode where Mike Ross felt emotion, saved Rachel, and same Harvey did not feel emotion and go against to their partner or lady. I don't know who was he, but they were making out. that make their relationship worse and make Ross and Rachel's relationship stronger. But Harvey won and Mike Ross lost the case. But that's the game of the life. Sometimes you need to lose to win the game. I love that episode. I don't know why, but I loved it. And while talking about this whole thing, I should also mention about my love life, which is completely dead. Being a 19-year boy, I have never dated anyone. My cycle is worth it. So I have never dated anyone as seriously. Just in talking terms for a few months, situationship, and just I don't know what. I've seen 2-3 people, but never felt something. Maybe I'm not that much confident or good that people approach me. I'm not that good. People come and approach me, and I'm not that much confident. I go and approach people. So that's why I'm being somebody's recording over there. So I should. I made this position. Maybe she recorded me. She was in car. Let's leave all the bullshit. So I don't know what I'm gonna do in my dating. Maybe I will get somebody. Otherwise, love or arranged marriage is very common, so it's not very big headache for me. My parents will find. But yeah, I am not experiencing that love in my life. I'm turning 20 this year in November 13, and my many friends. I have dated many girls till yet. My good friend are dating now like 2 and 3rd girlfriend they are, and I'm at 0 count. My body count 0. And it's fine, everybody is different, everybody is made different. Maybe I get something very much better that I can say to me now, because I don't know why I'm doing like this. I don't know. If I go talk like this, I should also discuss about my hairstyle. So I want to grow my hair long, but my parents are not allowing me. My mom get too much angry 2-3 days back that she stopped talking to me and not talking me like properly. So maybe today is Monday. On Wednesday I'm going to take a haircut, make my hair shorter. But I'm loving this. You see guys, this long hairstyle. I've oh fuck, bro. To show my hairstyle, I just stopped the video. And that faulty phone or faulty me, I don't know. Let it be all, guys. I'm afraid because of some noise over my head. With the time, I'm getting confident. I was talking about my relationship. So yeah, I think that's all I need to say. I don't know what to say. Maybe when I will find a girlfriend, when I will move like holding hands and all shit will happen in my life. I don't know what. Let's go. I'm fine. I'm single. Maybe being in a relationship will make me more in burden. I have to think for her too in my life. Maybe what if I get a toxic girl which make my life ruined? So I also don't want that too now. So it's fine whatever I am. When I will get, I will get. I'm now letting everything in God's hand. Whatever He will plan for me, I'm ready for it. Worse, good, anything. And I will take steps from me too, because I also need as maybe FOMO, maybe desire, my urge. I don't know. But let it be. Whatever it is. Social media and friends making. Important thing is not dating. Important thing is make friends in my college. That's a big deal for me, because almost my college is about to end in 2-3 months. So it's hard. I still know only barely 5-6 people. I can count on my single hand how many people I know in my college, and I've done half of my degree. I've completed 1.5 years. 1.5 years only left. So I don't know where it's going to lead me. And one good habit I want to acquire is that not using phone before and after waking up and going to bed for 1 hour. This ruined my mind. So before going to bed, I will try to read book Atomic Habit. I think I have concluded my our point. Hmm. So let's share my ideal productive day. Again, a train is going over my head. I am a bit nervous. Please God, please, 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 Hey Ram, बचाए रखना. It's too cold, bro. It's too cold. It's not visible over there. What if I exposure? I remove myself over there. You can see it's not purely visible because of all the fog and all things. I have removed. The ideal day in my life would go like waking up. Waking up earlier. One thing I want to also get like waking up early. That's a big thing my dad needs from me. So not in January because it's not easy for me waking up in this winter early. But from next month I will try to wake up like 6 or 7 at least. In this month I will try to wake up 6 7 and then doing some meditation, yoga, and freshen up for 8 and a half. And then go for college. My college is from 9 to 1:30 p.m. So being there for this long time, coming back home like back 2 p.m. doing my lunch and everything, watching shoots. At that time I am only gonna watch my mobile phone. After that not. I'm a bit confused. From 3 p.m. I should take class for shorthand, or from 5:30 5 p.m. 5:30 p.m. I'm a bit confused. For now I'm assuming I am gonna take 5:30 wali class because it's already 4:16. So from 4 to 5:30 I'm gonna do open. I'm going to open gym to do push pull exercise what I discussed. And the exercise I'm gonna do is from one video which I watched on YouTube. I'm gonna give that video's link in description if anybody over there watching. One thing I missed out is skincare. For now I'm not doing nothing for my skin. It's okay. I'm a bit tanned. I'm brown in color. I'm okay with that because being an Asian wants a white skin, but being an European, American, Australian, they want a tanned skin. So I think I have good skin. I should just focus on making it glowing, not dull, and acne free and everything. Color is not a big issue. Whatever God gave me, I'm fine with it. I've faced racism many times, but that's all I have to deal with. I have not stopped for exposure. Now this is good. Now exposure will not move. To where I was for going to exercise from 4 to 5:30 p.m. From 5:30 to 7 I think there's gonna be a shorthand class. After that coming back to home from 7:30 to 9:30 for 2 hours I'm gonna do self study for my college BA exam. And after that like 10 I will try to get my dinner done. After then I'm gonna read books and go to bed, sleep. This is what an ideal day in my life. I think I have talked about each and everything. I hope God that my mic is working properly. If this will be fucked, I will be fucked too. Many people are going from there and shooting. I think I have done my all the points. I should keep my bag over there. Now waking up, standing up. I have made my clothes a bit dirty and I have stopped. I am cleaning up my clothes which I made dirty. I should put my mic over here now. I think somebody is shouting over there. The policemen are shouting over there. I hope so that each and everything what I record was good. My cycle is over there, everything is fine now. So I want to conclude my day zero of being best version of me from there. So every day, I missed the point. So every day I'm gonna upload a short like day 1, day 2, day 3, and that short I am gonna tell you time about maybe every night around 11 p.m. according to Indian Standard Time, which gonna be 5 plus 5:30 plus 5:30 according to GMT. So I'm gonna tell in that video my calories intake, water intake. I'm using an app called Fat Steeper. I don't know. I will put that app logo over here. I tried Fitness Pal, but that didn't support my app phone. So I'm using that app, and I will tell you time what I wake up and how my study went and everything, and how overall how productive was my day, how good was my day. I will rate it. I'm thinking to rate out of 5 how good it was, but that gonna be tough to how to decide that 5 points. Sorry. So yeah, I don't know, but I will try to find out something to rate which makes it more good. Oh fuck bro, my mic is over there. I don't know if it's perfectly audible. Too much people going around over there. It's okay, this thing looking more sick. So I'm gonna end my video just like this. All a baddie boy, bye from this boy. So my channel name is going to be Vacam. I told you guys why, because my name is Vaibhav, so I am taking first 3 letter of it, VAI, and Cam is for you guys. You are my Cam. I know nobody's gonna watch me. I only get 2 subscriber, one from my main ID, one from my second ID. I think all both 2 will be mine only. So that's all for the day. Is I'm missing something I need to talk? Webcam. So I thought a joke. So I think first I thought my name should be Wabscam. Yeah, Wascam. VI apostrophe S and Cam. But being an Indian and taking scam in my name will give me good reach. Bad joke. Maybe I ain't delivered it properly. As an Indian, scam in my name will be, bhai, to be honest, bro, all Indian are not scammer. They are, I don't know the person who scam. I watched too many videos around them. They do it. I think government genuinely not want to find them for, they don't want to charge them for all the scams, because they are intaking so much dollars and foreign money in India, which is helping India in a way. So I think maybe that can be a reason in economics point of view. Government is not too harsh, but it's spoiling India's soft power and image in front of globe, and that money is not worth compared to all the things. I have still yapped for 5 minutes. I know my video is gonna be something around 30 minutes. So signing off, guys, from here. Signing off. Bless me that I can achieve whatever I want. Being good person is aim of my life. This all muscles and everything is bullshit. That's why I put my priorities on making my parents proud. That's all that matters. Too cold. Oh, again my camera stopped and again start working. I don't know how. Again this happened. I was showing my back, but this again. So I wanna get sign off, you guys. I don't know what to talk more, but bye. That's all for today, and I will be uploading shorts from tomorrow, and I will try hard to upload this video by today. So my day 1 starts from tomorrow. I have 360 days at least in this year to be ultimate version of me. Bye bye. When Marvel has end scene, why don't I? I took Chowmin for my amazing view. And this is temple I stopped to show you guys. This tent is ruining the view, but behind it, the artistic work they have done on the walls are amazing.